Hello again, this is Mobile Experience. Today I'm starting a series called Getting Started with UpNote. I'm going to let you know about this wonderful app that's great for taking notes and is at an affordable price. It is available for all operating systems, including Mac, Windows, Linux, iOS, and Android. So let's jump right in on how to take a basic note. You open up the app, this is the first thing you're going to see is Welcome to UpNote or Explore UpNote features. So the top right hand corner, you press New Note. You can give it a title. We're just going to call it Title. Hit the Enter key and I'm just going to type Basic Note. Next we'll go over how to add a note to a notebook. Now over here on the left side of the screen, you will see the notebook, different notebooks, tables, Microsoft Word, Excel. Those are the names of notebooks. Now, if you have it pre-made, you can just simply go to the bottom of your screen and click here to add to that specific notebook. If you want to add a new notebook, you simply press the plus sign. And from there, you can give your notebook a new name. Let's just call it Basic. Now, this is my demo account. Normally, if you have a paid subscription, you can actually lock your notebooks, but you'll see it's grayed out. Another thing that's interesting is you can have different notebook covers. You can have different styles. So let's just make this one, this one here, this design. An interesting feature with UpNote that I forgot to mention is when you create a note, there is an edit button to protect your notes from unwanted edits. It's a little pin at the top right corner. And then you click the check mark when you've saved the note. Okay, attachments. There are a couple of different ways that you can add attachments. Right above the note, you can click the little plus symbol and insert a file. And there's nothing wrong with that. The way I personally like to do it though is to drag and drop. So it can be a PDF. Let's try that first. And it does a nice preview. You can change the font, of course, to make it larger and easier to read. So let's delete that particular note and I will show you something else. Next, let's drag and drop an Excel file. And when you first add the Excel file to your note, you will see it's a link. It's a hyperlink. So you can open that up. This is an interesting feature here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to enable editing. I'm going to click that little cell. I'm going to type the word test. Then I'm going to click save. And now we open it back up again. And it saved it. It saves it from within UpNote. So you don't have to download the file and then re-upload it again. And just like with the Excel file, you can edit Word documents as well from within UpNote. And you can also drag and drop pictures in UpNote. Click save. Now I'm going to delete this. The last feature I'd like to go over today are tables. Normally when you create a table in a note, you click New Note, you click the edit button at the top, the little pin. That's the password, or that's the editing protection feature. You can to add a table, you can click the little plus and click Insert Table. You'll see there's a little lock on there because this is my demo account and it doesn't offer that feature for the free version. Another way you can do it is to highlight or to put the cursor in the body of the note and hit Control T. That will also insert a table. And then from within the tables, or from within the cells in the tables, you can do other things. You can color the table. As you'll see here, you can change the heading. The format can be bold or italic. You can align the text to left or right. You can change the text color, for instance, to red. Something else you can also do is change the background. Let's make this one yellow. Just nice little editing features. Those are all of the features that I'll be going over in this episode. In part 2, I will be going over how to find your notes with tags, as well as exporting your notes in different formats and backing up your notes. Thank you. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and you have a great day.